Shenzhen Yanbixin Technology Co Limited was established in 2008, is a professional company specializing in the development, sales, and service of EMI filters, EMC filters, and power line filters. We're located in Shenzhen. Our factory covers an area of about 4,000 square meters and has more than 180 employees, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. In order to provide satisfactory products and services, we have established a modern quality management system in strict accordance with international standards and have passed the ISO 9001:2015 certifications. In addition, we obtained UL, TUV, CQC, CE, RoHS, and other certificates. Our company has constant temperature and humidity testers, glow wire test machine, RoHS testers, etc., testing equipment to strictly control the product quality. We are adhering to the business principle of mutual benefit and enjoy a reliable reputation among our customers for our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Korea, Turkey, and etc. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.